Alright guys, this is my Emco PC mill. Um, I got all of the software off of the desktop PC that came with the mill, PC Mill 50, and I just wanted to show you guys some of the things I've found on that. So if we go to Programs, let's see, Emco Win Config. Of course, if you go to Setup, let me see, an INI file, you can do a couple of things. Let's see here. This is an MSD file, and you can see we have only 3 options. So let me show you how we can change that. There's 3 passwords you can try. Let me see if I can remember what they are. They're supervisor, control, and service. So let's see here. Let's try service, all caps. Now let's see what happens for the making an MSD file. You can see now we have a lot more options. Let me go back and try another password. Let me try operator. I'm just going to see if there's any different options here. Okay, nothing for operator. Let's try, oh no, it's control, sorry. Let me try control. Okay, control gives me a good bit. Let's see. Quick Msd Editor. Let's see what that is. Oh, I think that is also available on the other option here. So let me see. Let me get out of here. So let me try one more password just to see if there's anything different. The other password is supervisor. Okay, they all seem to have about the same. Let me see. So there's about 3 slots left here. Let me just go to service again. Make sure they're all the same. So I just type in service, all caps. Oh wow, okay. I have more options with the, you can see here there's about 4 blank spaces. So I seem to have more options with the supervisor. Password. Oh, I just have the machine number option. It seems to be the only additional one. I haven't written them down or anything to confirm that, but let's see what we can see here. So one of the most interesting things, if we want to try and reverse engineer this a little bit, is going to be RS-485 devices. Would be an interesting one. Actually, no, that one's not so interesting. That's just where we can add an access controller or something. Let me see here. We have, there's a lot of different options here. Quick Msd Editor. You can edit the machine data. Let's see what global settings has. Access controller settings, I think we saw that. No, we did general access control settings. Access settings. Bit 0, position controlled main drive. Acceleration constant forward position. So there's 4 bits right there. There's, let me see. So I don't think there is an explanation for each and every one of these. These possible boxes here, so we can activate different monitoring options here. Let's see. Okay, let's go back. Access data, let's check that out. Axis acceleration. Maximum acceleration for all axes. So yeah, there's a lot of good data in here. Let's see here. So I'll save all of these in screenshots. Feed data. Let's see, PLC machine data. Global settings, let's see here. Okay. We don't have a dividing device. I don't think I'm ever going to have one. Not even going to bother. So we can activate accessories, automatic vice, air blast unit, robotics interface, automatic machine door. So let me just go ahead and activate like every single option throughout the software while I'm at it. And this way I can see kind of how it changes the file. So let me see, reference point. I don't want to change that. Let's see. I don't want to change, I don't know what this does, so let's see here. RS-45 devices. Let's see, global settings. Let's just do that. I don't know what that does, but let's just do that anyway. So access controller settings. Okay, that AC monitoring. So I'm just going to see how this changes the MSD file. Let's see, access data. I don't really want to mess with these so much. I think I already have spindle data, PLC machine data, operating time. Okay, all right, so let's go and save this MSD data file. Hopefully this works. Machine data disk not found. Oh, that sucks. Machine data disk is in Win Config. Let me see. I really should have it on here. Yeah, because I have a WinCTS WinConfig, WinConfig.exe. I want to go to Explore. I want to explore my computer. What was it? WinConfig. Okay, I actually don't have an MSD file. Let me see if it's in mil50. Now this is a hidden file. Look, there's the MSD file right there. Let me see. Maybe it wants it in a different format. It doesn't tell me. So that sucks. Yes, I want to produce it. Error writing machine data disk. Store data to machine data disk too? Yes. Machine data disk not found. Okay, anyways. That might be because, I don't know, I don't have the machine hooked up. Can't hook it up on the virtual machine because I don't have the ISA slot. So yeah, there is also, let me see if it's in the INI file. But you can enable debugging. Let's see, WinCTS. Test options, error recording. Record error message. Yeah, you can record cycles, WinCTS communications, and DNC communications. Which, let's see, there should be one other option. Yeah, right here, you would want to set this to all. This would record the most data. This would record data even between the access controllers. Let's see here. So let's go back. Directory system. You can change system of measurements. You cannot change the interface for the CNC machine, but you can change it for the keyboard to RS-232 on a COM port. Let's see, interface settings. I already looked at that. WinCTS. Already did that. So yeah, that's about everything I have to show you in the software. There are a lot of interesting files for you to see, and I will go ahead and post a link to those in the video description. Yeah, so thanks for watching. I really hope you can find some of this information useful, and if you want to help me get started on, I guess, controlling this machine with linuxCNC, I will also post a link to GitHub in the description. Thanks.